Adjectives. Numeral adjective. A numeral adjective is an adjective that tells us about how many or how much, or in what order the noun is in. 1, 2, 5, 10. First, second, third, 10th, 12th, last. All, some, few, each, most, many, no, several are common examples of numeral adjectives. The two main kinds of numerals are definite numeral adjectives, indefinite numeral adjectives. Definite numeral adjectives. Definite numeral adjectives are the set of cardinal and ordinal numbers. The word definite itself tells us that these adjectives tell us the exact number of people or things. Deals with how much. Examples: two boys walking down the road. Ahmed lent me 3 books. There are 3 kinds of definite numeral adjectives: cardinal, ordinal, fraction. Cardinal. Denote how many as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Example: Ahmed has 2 brothers. There are 3 cups in the kitchen. Ordinal. Denote in what order as first, second, third, fourth, etc. Example: the first thing he did was to take off his shoes. The third goal was scored by the new player. Fraction. Such adjective may refer to a number less than 1. Examples: Ahmed worked for half a day. Ross bought the book for 1/3 its real price. Indefinite numeral adjectives. Indefinite numeral adjectives, unlike definite numeral adjectives, only give tentative numeral idea of nouns. They do not give us exact number. Indefinite numeral adjectives are few, all, no, several, some, many, most, deals with how many. Examples: there were several patients waiting to see the doctor. Many men died in that accident. Interrogative adjectives. A word that modifies a noun by asking a question. Interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions such as what, whose, where, why, how and which. These are words specify the sentence from the questioning point of view. They accompany or modify the noun or noun phrases and placed before them in a sentence. Such as, which lunchbox is yours? Which word is an interrogative adjective that modifies lunchbox. What movie you are seeing to? What word is an interrogative adjective that modifies movie. Emphasizing adjectives. The adjectives which are used to lay stress on the preceding noun are called as the emphasizing adjectives. Examples: what the man said was absolute rubbish. Note, the word absolute qualifies the noun rubbish. It has been used to emphasize the worthlessness of what the man said. It was not only rubbish, but absolute rubbish.